Good morning from Portorož, Slovenia. It is 10 a.m. on this 13th of October, and it is a wonderful day here in Slovenia. And I'm so happy to starting off the day after waking up in my hostel that is just 200 meters away from here, Europa Hostel, and I'm the only one in the whole hostel. It felt so strange because I'm all alone in the room that has 6 beds, and also I was all alone on the breakfast, which was amazing. It is only 17 degrees Celsius right now, but it feels so warm because of the sun. And compared to yesterday, that was Sunday, today it is very less people, which is understandable, as I guess mostly people come here for the weekend, as there are lots of hotels, not so many people that live in Portorož. But yesterday I got my way all the way to Piran, around 5 kilometers up north, and it was such an amazing city. Much better looking than Portorož, but a lot more crowded. This is the Centralna Portorož Plaža, and this is how it looks like. It looks amazing. It has 5 piers at least that can be used for swimming, and also you can go into the water from the ladder, from the steps from there. And there is even a sunny area that is closed now because it is off season. So I took a swim already here, but on pier number 1, that's over there. Now I'm on pier number 2, as I will be going to the north part on the other side of the Slovenian coast where there are nudist beaches, but I wanted to start off with a swim, as I will have at least 5 kilometers walk to get there. So Slovenia once again, and I'm so happy to be here. It feels surreal to be taking a swim, and yesterday I wasn't sure if it is deep enough, so I went through the steps, but today I know that it's deep enough to jump, which I'm going to do, as I read some signs that diving is not allowed, but I guess jumping is. Just look at the view here in Portorož. It's so nice. There is a port, obviously, because of the name of the city, and hotels, and yeah, not so far away is Piran, and you can take also a bus or walk basically to Izola and Koper, which I'm going to tomorrow, as I'm actually 3 days in Slovenia, and today's day 2nd. Okay, so 17 in the air. Yesterday I have measured 22 in the water. I don't think it's colder today because it was super hot yesterday, and there were lots of people because it was Sunday. Now let's then get going with this lovely view of Portorož and get into the water for a beach adventure with Chris. So, ready, set, and go! Ooh. What an amazing way to start the day here in Slovenia, in Portorož. This is so beautiful. It's also nice to exchange the cold sea in Sweden with 9 degrees warmer sea over here, or maybe 10 now, as I'm not sure if it is 12 degrees now already in the Baltic Sea. This is the Adriatic Sea, and Slovenia has not so big coast compared to Italy and Croatia, which are the neighboring countries, but still it has access to the sea. Even Bosnia and Herzegovina, that is mostly landlocked, has a very small part on the sea, right in between Croatia. But Croatia's huge coast is huge, and I was there already in Umag, that's on the other side, invisible from here. And from the Piran fortress you can see also Trieste, where I was 3 days ago, or 2 actually, on the 11th. So yeah, let's dive in again and see how it's in the water, because it looks clean to me. Yes, Adriatic Sea is one of the saltiest sea, at least in Europe, and I'm so happy to be taking a swim in Portorož on this autumn day. Perfect. Alright, now it's time for me to swim a bit more before I head walking to the north coast above, as this one here is facing west and it has a very nice beautiful sunset. But basically here you have sun all day long, as you can see as well. So that's a wrap from Portoroz, Centralna, Plaža once again. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!